here today in Sun City Shadow Hills. I'm going to walk you through a Serrente floor plan. The square footage is 1488. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with den. We're priced at $425. And before we get started, I just want to say thank you to the real estate agent, the listing agent here, for allowing me to make this walkthrough video for you. Let's get started. So this is a south-facing front patio, nice and bright. The backyard is going to have plenty of shade for you, but if you'd like to capitalize on some sun during the winter months, or even right now, today is April 3rd and it's 80 degrees outside, so it's feeling pretty nice even right now, early April, sitting out here on the south-facing patio. But when it does get warm, that's where you got that north-facing backyard to work with. Really simple, efficient floor plan. Nice sized den right as you enter the home. What I appreciate about this den location is that when you're in the living room, you don't have to look at this room. It's not included anywhere else, so you could use it however you'd like. It's not going to be involved with your living space. And speaking of living space, let's go take a look at that. To the left here is going to be our 2nd bedroom, 2nd bath, laundry and garage. But first, let's focus on the kitchen and living room, wide open. Granite countertops, neutral coloring, stainless steel appliances. Looks to be a little bit newer. Really simple floor plan. We got our 2nd bedroom there, primary there, and plenty of room for a nice sized table here. TV area, backyard, north facing, and I'll walk you through the 2nd bedroom now. We'll just peek our head through the garage, laundry room. We've got a sink, real simple 2-car garage. And 2nd bath. Got a tub and shower. 2nd bedroom with a closet. And then right back into our open living room and kitchen area and the primary. Plantation shutters here, just so you could really shut out the light in the mornings, but you're not gonna really need to have them closed much since this is north facing. Be nice and shady out there. Great for getting some fresh air when it gets warm. This house, I have to say, you know, now that you're here, the pictures are hard to see it, but it seems to be very well taken care of. Clean listing, ready to be viewed. If you would like to take a look at homes in Sun City Shadow Hills, please reach out to me. At the front and the back of this video, you'll find a video I made that explains everything you could possibly need to know to learn about Sun City Shadow Hills. You just go to the description in this video, or the front or the back, you'll see Sun City Shadow Hills video, and you can learn more about the huge opportunity of living here. Let's get out to the backyard and then we'll wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna make a couple videos today, so you'll see them all on my channel for Sun City Shadow Hills. There's that shade I've been bragging about. Very important asset to survive the summer here in Indio, California. Just makes a world of a difference having shade. This one's got the hot tub. I believe this one's got a newer air conditioning unit. It's got to be on the other side of the house. Nice and cozy, low maintenance backyard here in Sun City Shadow Hills. Nice size patio cover. There's the newer air conditioning unit. That's gonna wrap up our video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video.